Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to support my channel, definitely subscribe, leave a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. So today's video, I am featuring E.Den'S Rose Acrylics. This is a small business, this is a Black owned business, and this is a friend of mine. So she has launched her website, she has created her own acrylics. I only have 5 out of the entire collection that she has. But I'm excited to share these with you, and I'm also excited to share a giveaway with you as well. So make sure you watch the whole video, make sure you pay attention to the giveaway rules and things like that so that you don't miss this great opportunity. So first, I do want to congratulate my friend on her website and her acrylic line. Again, that's E.Den'S Rose, and all of that information will be provided in the description box below. So like I said, I only have a few of the Rosebud collection. That's her initial collection that she has launched. I only have a few of them, and I'm going to swatch them for you here. I will leave the colors in the description box below as well, in order as I swatched, because I feel a little chatty today, so I probably won't introduce each color as we're going. I will introduce this one first. This one is called Royalty. It's a royal blue, super pretty, and you can see here like the slightest of marbling, but that disappears very quickly once you kind of blend the acrylic out. And this was the only acrylic that had any slight marbling, but it was very easy to get that fixed. She does have a full swatch video that you can watch of all of her acrylics, and then in her video she also does them as dip powders as well. I know a lot of you guys will ask me if these can work as dips. I didn't try them as dips. I'm just going to reference her video where you can see the full collection swatched and the full collection as dip powders. So that video would be in the description box below as well. This color that I'm doing is Coffee Extra Cream, and you can just watch how this is a nude like tan color. You can just watch how easy these acrylics apply. So you guys just go ahead and watch that, and let's just go ahead and start talking about the giveaway. So I haven't hit 3,000 subscribers yet, but I feel like the way that my channel's been growing, I might as well just do a giveaway now for the 3,000 subscribers. So that's what I'm going to do. So the giveaway will be open once I hit 3,000 subscribers. I will close it. So let's talk about what I'm giving away. The first thing I'm going to give away is 3 acrylics from E.Den'S Rose. The second thing I'm giving away is 3 products from my website, which is the cuticle butters, the cuticle oils, and then I also have nail grippers. And some people have asked, what's a nail gripper? So if you're at the ATM and you can't get your card out because your nails are too long, or if you need help putting your bracelet on, or I know some people do smoke and they do like to use a clip to smoke with, that's what the nail grippers are for. So you'll get, let's backtrack. So 3 acrylics from E.Den'S Rose and 3 products from my website. I'm also gonna throw in the gooseneck UV LED lamp that I featured in a haul video. I'll link that video above. But it's a lamp that I use all the time for flash curing. You guys always ask me about. So I did find them on AliExpress, and I will be giving one of those away. So what I'm also going to do is I do a lot of grab bag giveaways, so I'm going to add some extra goodies into the giveaway as well. So you're going to get 3 acrylics, 3 acrylic powders, 3 products from my website, a UV lamp, and then some extra like glitters, maybe some gel polishes, maybe some nail stickers, but it'll be a nice package and you'll be happy with it. So that's what you're going to win. This color that I'm swatching is my favorite color out of the entire collection. It is called Raspberry. Well, let me take that back. It's my favorite out of the ones that I got. So that is called raspberry. So let's talk about how to enter the giveaway. It's pretty simple. As far as I go, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you need to be following me on Instagram. And the other thing that you have to do is subscribe to Addicted to Pink Nails' YouTube channel. Follow her business page, E.Den'S Rose & Co. and her nail Instagram, Addicted to Pink Nails. So don't worry, all of that will be linked down below. So you have to subscribe to 2 YouTube channels and follow 3 Instagrams. Pretty simple. We'll leave that down below. So basically, to enter, to let me know that you've entered, you have to leave a comment down below on my on this video and just say enter me. I need the name of the 3 acrylics you want from her website, and then I need the names of the 3 products you want from my website and your Instagram name. So the reason I want the names of the products now is so that once I pick a winner, I notify you, you provide your shipping address, boom, your products are out to you. I really don't want to delay or anything like that. That's how I like to do my giveaways. I like to know upfront what you want, so when I pick you, boom, no confusion. So if for some reason you go on my website now or her website now and you make a purchase, each purchase on my website or her website is going to be 3 additional entries. So do you guys see the theme here? 3,000 subscribers, 3 products, 3 additional entries. So that's kind of the theme. So obviously you would just let me know in the comments down below, hey, I did make an additional purchase. Or if you don't want to let me know in the comments down below, you guys have my Instagram. You can DM me that you did make a purchase and you want your 3 entries. So with this one, I'm probably just going to end up writing everyone's name on a piece of paper. The additional entries get 3 additional names, and then just pull that out of a hat or something, a bowl. So again, I will recap really quickly everything that I've said. That's going to be in the description box below. And I didn't file these, I just top coated them because I just wanted to show you guys what they look like shiny, but I didn't do any filing. So don't mind that they're not super smooth, but you can see that they probably wouldn't need a lot of filing just because how smooth the application was. So I really do like these acrylics. So essentially, if you want to enter the giveaway, sub to my channel, Addicted to Pink Nails, follow us on Instagram, E.Den'S Rose Pink Nails, and then my Instagram. And what you're going to win again is 3 acrylics from E.Den'S Rose, 3 products from my website, the UV lamp for flash curing, and then I'm going to add some like glitters or nail stickers, not Snickers, stickers, gel polish, and additional glitters. So these are all of the colors again I'm showing you, and I just did a quick top coat. Definitely check the description box. I know I was kind of talking fast. This is a short video. All of the information will be in the description box below. So definitely read through that. Make sure you're clear, and then just go ahead and enter. Remember, any purchase on my website or her website is 3 additional entries, so don't forget that. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for your support. And I cannot wait to hit the 3,000 subscribers so that I can pick a winner, so that I can get these acrylics and some of my products out to you. I promise you guys are going to love these acrylics. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see everyone soon for another video.